When you say organizer ka, was that, is being an organizer,
Aliko ako sa sarili kong
Profe-
organizer, strategies.
okay, a strategist?
Yeah, cultural strategies.
Cultural strategist. But were you employed or
Ali.
Nanita, is it part of an independent NGO?
Ali, anya mo muna, aliwari, sinabi ko, anya migrate ko, reluctant ko ne. O nangyaita, deng tradisyon da deng bayong immigrant kanita, sali lang bale, sali lang kotse, mag-housewarming lang, mag-party lang. Then topic da na nung latest. Kayo makayan.
Okay.
So, ketang kayo, ala akong kwento ka rin makayan kasi ala akong kwento tungkol kayong bale or
Yeah,
makayan.
okay. Oo.
O nang lalong ko, nung nanong patterns, da makayan Ibig sabihin, nung nanong
Okay.
mentality
Yeah,
da makayan.
oo.
So, in a way, I'm investigating on my own.
Oh, yeah.
makayan
Okay.
O nang ganyang 1990, kasi patse ba yung census, ne? Every decade ya kasi census Patse 1990, mayroon lang ba yung framework?
Okay.
Ngayon kitang 1990s, or 2000, tang year 2000, may pili kong one of the fellow of the Wildflower Institute.
Yeah,
Tama
the
kaya?
Wildflower Institute.
Yeah.
So, what is this Wildflower Institute?
Aling Wildflower kasi, oring Mamiele ang bagong framework ng philanthropy community na
Oo.
use cultural as a way, as a criteria for grants. Kasi dati din grants, datang funding
Yes,
yan,
okay.
kaila needs base la.
Okay.
Nang kailangan da, makanyan, ng problema, yung
Okay.
ibiyemo makanyan.
Oo.
O nanging Wildflower, borino ituro din philanthropy community na yung lalong talawan yung itang social capital. Imburin sa sabihan social capital, without funding, how do they support themselves?
Okay.
Tama kayan. Kasi anti makikita, matinta social
Yeah,
capital,
oo.
budgeting ka din natang kamag-anak, hanggat iya makadagisot kaya sarili na, may lalakpan. Kaya ba't potang
Antabayanan,
antabayanan. May sabihin natin lang means of kaya ela mag-access government services. Kagat makayan.
Ila, on their own.
Atin la. Kaya ba't
Sort of parang self-reliance.
Hanggang king
Oo.
employment ko minsan, nung ating kang kapampangan niya itang mag-obra ka rin. Buat ang ating pwedeng ikang muna. Ating hausan ng social capital o kaya munta ka kisimbahan. Ating kangakit, kakilala. Kasi patye, o ining kaya na itang de-develop ko ng concept of kapwa. Patye ng Pilipino at ilo abroad. Maintun lang kapwa Pilipino. Nyapin patye ikit da.
Nyapin natin ka Bayanihan Center.
Oo, nyapin ingkot nanda kapwa. Kasi deng mo munang kutang da kasi, tagasang ka sa atin.
Oo.
Patse ikwame kapanamdaman na itang loob mga. Bala mo, malbat mo na yung kakilala, declared na ka mga.
True.
So itang timing nga 1999, 2000, ating kong fellowship, the same time, kingwa na akong consultant, nitang metong project, Pilipino la, atin lang building, Delta Hotel, o nang Mesilabia. O nang kay ba't binentade, ne? Anyang binentade, binyedang condition, i-convert da into Bayanihan Community Center.
I see.
Ngayon kailangan dang business plan, service plan, at saka itang logic of existence.
Okay.
So, gawang needs assessment. O nga ako, ring ating kong familiarity keng board.
Yes, of course.
So, akong kingwadang kay mag-design kitang concept. O nanging metong challenge, tapos sinabi ko, anyang ating public hearing kasi kailangan lang may funding to support that. Makainyan. Even the term was not acceptable to some. We cannot pronounce it. Why don't you use, yung marang kasi it's hard to pronounce Bayanihan kay English makayan. Kitang public hearing ating mag-question kitang word ito. Kanya sinabi ko kay sarili ko, kailangan pag-aralan kayo pa nung makanayo i-explain yung Bayanihan. Then yung namang owners, then Borja family, they want to instill yung word na Bayanihan. Kennedy Alino ba niyang 2003, may ka-soft opening kitang bayong building. Ilagyo na Bayanihan Community Center. Kanita kayo in-introduce yung parol.
I remember that. Oo.
Kasi in concept ko kasi, in connection na
Parol, in San Fernando. Parol San Fernando.
sige, ipagkwentuhan
Oo,
tayo
oo, oo.
in context na kanini, orimping develop ko na yung kaya na concept na yung plaza na importanteng simbahan kaya ba't importante la ding center of gravity, the services makayan.
Yes.
Impari ka rin Pilipino yan, Monsignor Bitanga. Kaya ba't padalayang pari dengking Pilipinas. Yung metong padalang pari, yung Archdiocese na ni San Fernando.
Okay.
Di Father Ray, di Father Mangat, etc. Deng minuna pa makayan. Pagka birthday na yung Monsignor, metong ka rin imbitahan ng Monsignor, king kay Keti, Yapuseto. O nagkawa, di na rin Yapuseto at inyang kayabe politiko. Kaklasiko la, o barkada ko la, makayan. Kaya ba't sabi ko, ito namang king bayanihan, o rin akong consultant da, MC, we want to have a soft opening in December. Sabi ko naman karela, nung soft opening niya, manganta mo wala, bakit may payaring building, may makayan? O tamong gawang festival. Na anong festival? Kasi born lakat rin din Kaya ba't sabi ko, Parol Festival. Na anong Parol wala, makayan? O nga niya ngakit ko detang entourage ng Aposeto. Sabi ko, padalan mo na ako Parol San Fernando. Kasi masanting magparol kaming bamboo mo.
Yeah, and that was how the local government unit of San Fernando got involved.
That's correct.
Yes.
Kaya ba't yung milyari kanita, shake hands mo, ito rin may kaluguran tayo. Kaya padala lang 12 feet parol.
Yes.
Adwa. Kaya ba't, to cut the story short, anyang ikit date ang 2003 Parol Festival. In South of Market, nung ka rin kami makabase, itang Yerba Buena Gardens, may impress la. Sabi na itang manager da, this is the festival I've been looking for. Kasi ketang North of Market atin lang giant Christmas tree. Kaya ng Yerba Buena South of Market, patya December, madalumdum. Sabi na, may ka-lighting ceremony ta kini, kabat dem parol ilang kabitang
Okay.
Inyapin itang event mo nga one day or itang particular year right ing sumunod na banwa ing Arts Commission na balitan da we want to support you parol making workshop because it's a community crafts art activity kaya dininanda kayong funding kanita na kayo mag-import bamboo na pre-cut cellophane kabat oring atin na kayong funding big libreng parol workshop, etc. So, maging annual event yan.
So, may sustain niya?
Hanggang yan kasi last year, 2 years ago, pandemic kabat itong 2022, 20th anniversary, o 20th edition, may makayan. Ing masanting ken 20th, nung akit mo keng website anyang mo minuna, halos ako nga manimuno Pero ken 20th, anak na la, tangalwa ng kay grupo. And it was really a very spectacular na festival.
So annual, yamitok nang,
Yamitok nang. Kaya but it's really building the community. Ngayon oring ating kang ritual, makanya na annually, itapimbalik itang kwento ng maga, Kaya ba't in California, ikit ding San Francisco, in Filipino community, dakalya community rituals. Building together king community. Anyapin may declare yung social heritage district by the city. Kaya but later, it was selected among the 13 cultural district in the entire California. So ngayon we are government, state and county and federal and local thing. Anyapin ngayon oring atin akong cultural heritage district. Detang artisyo, mitas la naman profile. Anyapin na niyang mamili la ding buong city tsaka state, maintun lang artist. Pili daw dem Pilipino kasi they belong to the Soma Pilipinas community, mga yan. So ating kamang venue na I express mo yung sarili mo. Ngayon may itang concept kong longing and belonging. Anya mo muna longing lang, wala lang pakgalang mag-involve, kitang local. At inong sense of belonging, makayan. So, may combine niya itang longing and belonging. Kaya itang balik tamo kitang reunion me. Anya excited ladeng international, there's still belonging. But the same time, man mag-base keti ngan.
Yes, of course.
But they feel belong here, they also belong there. So, ganyan. Ngayon, nung lalo na may mundo, bala mo dem boundaries, alino masyadong
Sharp.
ne? No ka rin ka man makatok ng makanyan. Nung impuso mo, kay. Kanya pinintang pa na ako sa sabyan, living life open sincere. Eka pa ni mag-close makanyan. Kasi niya mag-migrate ko 84, ding taga-UP. O TMC.
Oo, of course.
Mintay Amerika, makayan. Kaya wat po, ang muli ko kanita, potang explain mo, sagling explain Kasi concept mo longing tama kanyan. O nga niyang balitan na I use parole to explain our culture, to find your own belonging and your culture. Makayan. In a way, I'm very much satisfied.